Over the years, CRP Automotive has made a name for itself as a developer of numerous problem solver kits, like a pioneering of timing belt kits, which include an OE quality water pump and all required hardware in addition to an OE quality belt. This allows you to do a complete timing belt service with a single box of parts. Well, I'm happy to announce that we've taken the next step. We are introducing a new line of Rein automotive kits that will continue this legacy, the Rein Complete Belt Service Kit. As the name implies, these kits will contain all the needed timing belt components and accessory drive belt components for a given application, and all of it packaged under a single SKU. The new kits contain the belts, the tensioners, the hydraulic dampers, and a high-quality Rein water pump. Anything that is driven by a belt, as well as the belts themselves, are in these kits. There will also be kits for vehicles that use timing chains. In these cases, we'll include an OE quality electric or mechanical water pump along with the accessory drive components. Everything you need to do a complete belt service on the vehicle. You can look for these kits now, available for a wide range of European makes including Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes, and Volvo. Of course, if you have a question about these kits or any Rein Automotive parts, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the Inside the Brand videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.